in Group 52. Have you ever heard the phrase, a glutton for punishment? I know it sounds a little funny that someone free would remain in a painful situation, but take a look at your life. Any situation that hasn't been working out, any area where you've consistently seen failure, this could be a 3-week old problem or a 3-year long problem. In Matthew chapter 11, God tells us, "Come to me, all of you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." Many of us are toiling with our problems because we know Jesus as a Savior, but we have not yet made him Lord over every area of our life. That thing you've been fighting with, that thing that you've been failing at, that thing that's been giving you problem time and time again. You must ask yourself, have I carried this to the Lord? Have I allowed the Lord to rule in my life over this particular area? Some of us stop at salvation, which is worth more than gold. But peace and rest comes when you allow the Lord to be Lord over your entire life. Examine yourself this week, Group 52. See what areas you've been held back in, where you face your biggest problems. Give it to God and have the best week of your life.